Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to make Kerala style chicken stew where chicken is cooked in coconut milk. This dish goes well with appams, rice, chapatis and the like. So without further delay, let's get started. We need one medium-sized onion finely chopped along with one big potato or two small potatoes as per availability. Here I am keeping the cut potatoes submerged in a bowl of water so as to prevent it from turning brown. Keeping it aside. While the pan is getting hot, let's quickly blend 6 garlic pods, around this much of ginger and 7 green chillies. Into the pan add oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Now adding whole spices, 2 opened cardamom pods and 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. 2 cloves can also be added. Here I have not used it. Into it goes previously prepared ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Saute well. If you feel that it is sticking to the bottom, add some water to deglaze the pan. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder goes in. Mix well until the raw smell goes away. Adding onion. Here I am adding a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. You may add oil instead. Once the onion turns translucent, adding 1 kg of cleaned chicken. After cleaning the chicken once, I keep it immersed in vinegar water for 5 to 10 minutes. This gets rid of most of the blood from the chicken. Once again wash and drain it. Now it's good to go. Adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt or as required. Once the color of chicken pieces change from slight pink to off-white, add the potatoes. Into it goes 2 cups of coconut milk. Here I have combined the second and third extract together to get 2 cups. For 3 cups of coconut milk, I have used slightly more than half a coconut. You may use coconut milk powder instead. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix well. Curry leaves goes in next. Now cover and cook in low to medium flame for a while. Now chicken is almost half cooked. From this point onwards, keep the lid open and cook until the potatoes are done. Also adding 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, and don't forget to give it a mix every now and then. Now potatoes have cooked completely. The gravy has reduced and oil has slightly separated. Now adding 3/4 of a cup of first extract of coconut milk and wait until it starts to boil. At this point, flame can be switched off. You may add some curry leaves and some coconut oil on top. This is a very tasty recipe. Do try it out and let me know your feedback in the comments below. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.